How to add music or songs to your Instagram stories. Welcome back to another simple Instagram tutorial, everyone. If you want to make your stories more engaging and fun, we'll show you exactly how to add music to your Instagram stories, whether you're sharing your travel adventures, simply expressing yourself, or other stuff. This works on both iPhone and Android devices, and what you want to do is to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So go to your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. After that, you want to open your Instagram application and swipe to open the camera. Now you can add a photo or video from your photo gallery, or you can simply take a photo or record a video directly from the camera. When you add the media to your story, the next step is to add the song or the music. What we want to do is to tap on this little sticker icon at the top of the screen, and this menu will pop up with a bunch of different options. You need to find this music sticker and click on it, and that will open the Instagram music library. From here, we can browse and find songs that we want to add to our story. Instagram has this huge library of songs, and you can add trending songs, popular songs, and many more. We even have the option to search for songs, so I'll do that. Just click on a song to select it, and it will be added to our story. We can then add the lyrics to our song by swiping here and change the song length, the color of the lyrics, and customize this. When you are finished, you can share the story with your friends and family members, and they will be able to hear the song that you've added to your story and they can enjoy. So that's essentially how you can add music to your Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.